Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. As nature lovers and green living enthusiasts, we all desire vibrant and fragrant home gardens. Today, I'll share a simple yet effective method for propagating roses from cuttings, using only natural ingredients from your kitchen or garden. No chemicals, no expense, just a bit of patience and a love for plants. Let's begin. Prepare the ingredients. Rice starch and enzymes from fermented rice act as natural rooting stimulants. Garlic, rich in allicin, is antibacterial and antifungal, preventing stem rot and supporting rooting. Beer contains yeast, vitamin B, and sugar, nourishing beneficial bacteria and stimulating root formation. You will also need water. Step 1. Mix the root stimulator solution. Mince garlic, the finer, the better. Put the minced garlic in a glass cup or jar. Add water and soak at room temperature. Take rice, put it in a jar or cup, and add clean water. Stir well and let it stand at room temperature to dissolve starch and enzymes. After soaking, mix the garlic water and rice water. Strain the mixture through a sieve or clean cloth to remove residue. Add draft beer and stir well. Let it stand for a few hours in a cool place. Step 2. Soak the cuttings. Choose healthy branches that are neither too young nor too old, free of pests and rot. Remove all leaves from the lower part of the branch to reduce water evaporation and energy loss before rooting. Cut the base of the rose stem at a 45-degree angle and dip it in the rooting solution. Step 3. Help. Rose branches grow roots quickly and healthily. Coconut fiber is an excellent growing medium due to its moisture retention, aeration, and loose texture. Moisten the coconut core with a natural rooting solution. Insert the rose cuttings into the coconut fiber, leaving 1 or 2 nodes above the surface for new shoots. The nodes below the substrate will help the roots grow stronger. Cover the cutting cup with a large clear cup to retain humidity and create a mini greenhouse. Place cuttings in a cool place away from direct sunlight. Lightly mist the remaining rooting hormone solution to keep the growing medium and cuttings moist. After a few weeks, you'll witness the magic. Strong, sturdy white roots growing from the base, and fresh green shoots emerging from the exposed nodes, signaling new life. This is a gentle, fun journey, and I hope you try it at home. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends to spread these natural methods. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with more great tips. Finally, I used a little turmeric powder and gently rubbed it on the cut to help protect it from rotting. Would you like to explore other gardening tips, or perhaps information on different rose varieties?